Hi there. Do you know what kind of animal I am? That's right. I'm a cat. And I live on a farm. Do you know how to count to 10? Let's count the farm animals together. How many cows do you see? That's right. One. One cow. What animals are these? That's right. They're turtles. How many turtles do you see? One, two. Two turtles. Do you know what these animals are? Yes, they're pigs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 pigs. Oh, what are these? Do you know? They're chicks. How many chicks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chicks. Wow! What kind of animals are these? Yes, they're frogs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. Whoa, what are these? That's right, they're chickens. Let's count the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chickens. You're so good at counting. Let's see, what's next? Oh, what are these? Yes, they're bees. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bees. What kind of animal are these? Yes, they're squirrels. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squirrels. Oh, do you know what these are? They're worms. Let's count the worms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 worms. Great job. Wow, there are so many caterpillars. Let's count the caterpillars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 caterpillars. Way to go! You counted to 10. Super job! Thanks for counting the farm animals with me. Let's count to 20 next time.